Did you know that ancient Rome had banks? See, back in the day, people would put their money into a bank in Rome and get an interest rate on their deposit account. They even had loans. But there was one major difference between the Roman banks and the banks of today. In ancient Rome, the banks were run by the government. You see, the Roman government would take your money and lend it out to other people at a higher interest rate, and then they would pay you, the depositor, a lower interest rate. And this system worked pretty well for a long time. Credit unions are still around today, and they offer people an alternative to traditional banking. But it wasn't until the Middle Ages that private banks started to emerge in Europe, and then eventually these banks started to charge interest rates that were much higher than what the government was paying depositors. And so people started to look for alternatives. And that's when credit unions were born. So next time you put your money into a bank, just remember, you could have been getting a much higher interest rate if you had deposited your money in ancient Rome.